Nowadays, computer is used in each and every field to develop application like feedback form, customer database, bill generation. We require a knowledge of computer programming. But what is computer programming? Computer programming is a special language that programmer used to communicate with computer and develop programs. Programming have an ability to deal with complex operations and give user-friendly environment. Hello everyone, I am Pankajshah. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Pankajshah. Today I will teach you the introduction of Visual Basic 6.0. So let's begin today's class.
So let's see first how to start Visual Basic. So just click on this start button, and here Visual Basic 6.0 is available in my computer. If it is not available, then you can click on this search button and write there Visual Basic 6.0. Now whenever you click on this Visual Basic 6.0, you can see this is the first introductory screen. Here there are three different tabs are available: new, existing and recent. New tab is help us for creating a new project. Here standard.exe already selected. Existing tab is help us if we have already created any project in Visual Basic in our computer, then we can open with the existing tag. Recent tags is available if we just create this project just before some minutes or some hours before. So with the help of this recent tab, we can open that project. So first of all, we are going to start with the help of standard.exe. Just click on standard.exe and then click on open button. Here you can see first screen. Please observe on my arrow. This first area, top area of the window is called a title bar. Here project name is displayed. Just now my project name is project 1. When I give the project name, then it will be displayed here. After that, below this title bar there is a menu bar. Below this menu bar there is some standard toolbar is available. Left hand side you can see here the toolbox is available here. So in Visual Basic 6.0 by default 21 tools are available here. Now this area is called a form area. This is an interactive area. With the help of this form, we can interact with Visual Basic program. As you know, Visual Basic is a event driven programming. So here we place some control from this toolbox, and after that this form interact with Visual Basic program and with user also. Right hand side you can see there is a one project explorer window is available. In this project explorer window there are some different buttons. This button is useful for open view code window. Then this is a view object, means we are when we click on this, we can come on this design mode. So now here by default form 1 is already available. So how can we add different forms? If we require more than one form, then just right click here, say add button, and then click on form. So you can see here they ask us one form. Okay, we select a form and then open. So here you can see form 1 and form 2. Now for example, I don't want form 2, then once again just right click on this form 2 and remove form 2. Select a remove form from form 2 option. In this way we can add and remove a form. How many maximum form we can add in one project? There are 64,000 forms we can add in one project. Okay, yes, 64,000. Below this project window there is one property window is available. Property window, what is property? So each and every object in this world have a different property. You can see near about you, there is whatever you can see, each and everything is a object. Your computer, your pen, your textbook, your chair, everything is an object, and each and every object have different properties. For example, its color, its weight, its size, height. Okay, so this is a property window. So whenever we select any control, for example, I select a label and draw the label on this form. See, click and then drag. So in this way you can select or create a control. So I just click on this label. So you can see here on the property window, label 1 is display, and this property is reflect, means this all the properties, this properties is a property of the label whatever the control I select on the form. Okay. uh, for example, now I want to change this label. So which property help us? Caption property. So see, in caption property the label 1 is written here. I just write here name. For example, enter your name. Okay. So you can see it's reflect on this label. Now near about this I can create one text box. So in this way you can just click and drag. So you can see there is one text box here available. So what is the difference between label and text box? Label is useful for display some data uh, to the user, and text box is help us to accept data from the user. So text box is a input control and label is a output control. So by default, whenever you create a text box, text one is already written here, so we should remove it. So how to remove? You just click on the text property of the text box and remove this text, and you can see the impact on this text box area. Now one more control I would like to enter here. It's a command button. So you just click and drag and drop on the form like this, and you can see here command button 1 is display. So I want to change command 1 to OK button. So I just use a caption property of this command button. See here I am selecting command button. In property window command button is selected, so properties are display of this command button. So now right here OK. So you can see here whatever I written in this caption property is reflect on this command button. So in this way we can design our form. Now how to execute this form? With the help of this run button, you can see this run button on standard toolbar, or you can press F5 function key from the keyboard also. So you just click on this run button and you can see the output of this project left side of this my program. I can return right here anything. For example, they ask me what is your name or enter your name. So I write my name Pankajshah, and after that I just click on this OK button, but nothing will be happen here. Why? Because I am not given here any coding. What's happen when user click on this command button? Then what's happen? I am not give any instruction to this Visual Basic. So once again come on this design mode, click on this stop button, uh, close this code window. Okay, and now I would like to give a command. So just double click on this command button, and between this private sub and end sub we have to write our own command. Okay, or a instruction whatever we want to do. So don't disturb this private sub and end sub. You just click on between these two tabs and write. For example, I want to change this background color of the text box. So write here text 1 dot. Now see here, when my control is right, I already text 1 is available on the form, then this dialog box, this property window dialog box is display here. Okay, so just select here back color equal to VB yellow. So this is a command. So let's see what's happened with the help of this command. We just run this program once again, and I'm writing my name. Now once again I'm going to click on this command button and see the impact of this coding. When I click on this command button, the background color of this text box will be changed with the help of this command. So in this way you can write and we can design our Visual Basic form. Now let's see how to save our project. So click on this save button icon or a file and save project as. So they ask you where you want to save. For example, I want to save my project on the desktop. So select a desktop, and first of all they ask you what is your form name. I have only one form, so I written here first form, and then click on save button. or you can create one folder also here. For example, star group, and inside a star group I save my form. Now after saving a form, they ask you what is your project name. So my project is VB intro. Now click save. They ask you add this project on source save, click on no. So in this way we can save project and a program. Now how to reopen my saved program? So just click on this file and close the Visual Basic. Once again I am going to open the Visual Basic, and now you can see in recent tab my already created program is available here. Just select this program and click open. So you can see my program will be open. Now click on this design tab. You can see my project or my form open in this way. So in this way we can open Visual Basic program, we can design a form.
Okay, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो इस वीडियो के नीचे दिए गए थंब सिंबल यानी कि लाइक बटन पे क्लिक करें ताकि YouTube इस वीडियो को और भी लोगों तक